Welcome! Today I am with LG NanoCell TV and I'll show you how easy you can connect your wireless headphones. So the first we have to go for the settings. Just tap on the settings button on the remote control, move to the all settings, then find sound, move to the sound mode, to the sound out. And right now you have to move your wireless headphones to the pairing mode. I will show you example on the AirPods. So just take a look. I'm going to use flashlight. Okay, so right now you have to open your case of your charging AirPods or any other wireless earphones. Then you have to boot them into the pairing mode. I'm going to make it by using this button on the back of the charging case. So I have to click and hold it until this indicator on the front starts blinking on a white color. Right now I can release that key and put it back. Next, what you have to do, go right here for the Bluetooth and tap on the list icon and take a look on the connectable devices. If you move your wireless headphones to the pairing mode, they will appear right here for a few seconds. So you have to be simply patient and just wait. As you can see here, I got my AirPods Pro, so I have to click on it. And now just wait. As you can see, after a few moments we will be connected. And there we get notification on the right up corner that we are connected. As you can see, it was very simple, and that's it. Right now you can use your TV with your wireless headphones. If you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.